Blossom English TV.
Listen, learn, and grow your English effortlessly.
Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Blossom English TV. I'm your host, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. In this session, I will speak clearly, I will use very simple English, and I will repeat my ideas so that you can understand every single word. My goal is to help you improve your listening and your speaking at the same time. Today's topic is something many English learners ask me. How can I think in English? How can I stop translating from my own language? Maybe you have this problem too. That is totally okay. Many people struggle with this. Our brain naturally wants to use our first language because it is comfortable. But here's the good news. Thinking in English is a skill. You can learn it, you can practice it, and today I am going to show you how. Let's talk about why this is important for your fluency. Many learners feel very slow when they try to speak English. Why does this happen? Because they translate every single sentence inside their mind before they speak. This makes speaking slow, heavy, and difficult. You might know a lot of words, and you might know your grammar rules very well. But if you translate word by word, it is almost impossible to speak fast or sound natural in real life. People in conversations talk quickly. They do not wait for you to finish translating. Also, translation is often incorrect. Different languages have different sentence structures. If you translate directly, your sentence might sound very strange or even be wrong. So the ultimate goal is this. Think in English, not in your native language. When you do this, you will speak faster, you will sound more natural, and today I will teach you some practical, easy tips to make this happen. Tip number 1, describe what you see around you. This is very simple, and you can do it anywhere. Just look around your room or on the street and say what you see inside your mind in English. For example, when you walk outside, think, I am walking down the street. I see a tall tree. There is a blue car parked over there. The wind feels cold today. When you are sitting in your kitchen, I am pouring hot water. I am opening the fridge. I am making coffee. You can do this anytime, even when you are completely alone. No one can hear your thoughts. If you don't know a specific word for something, that is totally fine. Just look it up later, write it down, and your brain will remember it next time. This is how you build your English brain step by step. Tip number 2, think about your daily plans. Another powerful way to think in English is to talk about your daily schedule in your mind. In the morning, before you start your day, take 1 minute to think. Today I will finish my work early. I will meet my friend at 4 o'clock. I will study English grammar for 30 minutes. Then, in the evening, review your day in your head. I went to the market today. I cooked a nice dinner. It was rice and vegetables. You do not need to write it down, and you do not need to speak it out loud. Just let your thoughts flow in English. The more you do this, the easier and more natural it becomes. Tip number 3, use visual thinking. This technique is extremely powerful because it forces your brain to work entirely in English without relying on your first language at all. Here's what you do. When you see an object, like a phone, a pen, a book, a window, or a door, do not ask yourself, what is that in English? No translation allowed. Just connect the object directly to the English word in your head. Phone, spoon, book, pen, tree, bus, window, shoes, dog. When you look at the item, think the English word instantly. Do this with everything around you every single day. Soon it will become an automatic habit. Your brain will start choosing English first. Tip number 4, practice shadowing. This is one of the absolute best techniques for fluency, and it is a favorite for many speakers. Listen to a native speaker from a podcast, a video, or an audio clip like this one. Repeat immediately after them. Say what they say and try to copy everything. The voice, the speed, the rhythm, the stress, and the pronunciation. For example, if the speaker says, I am going to the grocery store, You repeat it right away without any pause and without translation. At first, it might feel a little difficult, and that is completely normal. But if you keep going, you will train your brain to understand and speak English quickly. Do this for just 5 to 10 minutes a day, and it will make a massive difference. Tip number 5, narrate your simple actions. This is very easy and extremely useful. When you are doing basic chores around the house, use English in your mind to describe your actions. When you are cleaning, think, I am sweeping the floor. I am folding my clean clothes. When you are cooking, think, I am washing the vegetables. I am adding some salt. The food smells delicious. These are wonderful moments to practice thinking in English because the actions are right in front of you. You do not need complex or difficult words. Just describe what you are doing like a child learning to speak for the first time. Okay, my friends, let's put everything together into an easy daily plan. There are only 4 steps, and you can practice them every single day without stress. Step 1, in the morning, think about your day. When you wake up, before you check your phone, take 1 minute. Think in English. Today I will go to the office. I have a big meeting at 10. I want to read a book tonight. Keep your thoughts simple while brushing your teeth or drinking your morning tea. Step 2, during the day, describe what you see. As you move around, look at your surroundings and name things or actions in your head. A man is walking his dog. She is talking on her phone. Remember, you do not need to speak out loud, and you do not need to rush. Just keep it in your head. Step 3, listen and shadow. Use an English podcast or a video like this one. Listen carefully and then repeat what you hear right away. Do not worry about perfection. Just practice for a few minutes. Step 4, at night, review your day before you go to sleep. Close your eyes, relax, and think about what happened. I visited my family. I finished my tasks. This is your quiet time with no pressure, just simple English thoughts in your mind. That is it. 4 easy steps to remember. Do this every single day, and after just 1 week, you will notice a change. After 1 month, your brain will start using English automatically. Your mind is used to your first language, so at first, maybe only 10% of your thoughts will be in English, and that is a brilliant start. If you keep going a little bit every day, that number will grow to 30%, then 50%, then 70%. And one day, you will wake up and realize something exciting. You are thinking in English without even trying. It happens slowly, step by step, but I promise you it will happen. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Keep thinking in English, keep practicing every day, and keep believing in yourself. You have successfully finished today's speaking session on Blossom English TV. Be proud of your hard work today. Remember, speaking out loud every single day is the true secret to becoming fluent. And don't forget to subscribe for your daily lessons. Keep your energy high, keep practicing, and I will see you tomorrow.